Is Monteith's on tap? He's a hard case, Kiwi bloke, beer in one hand and the other is smoke, having a yarn or watching the game with all his mates. He works all day, works all night, just to keep his dreams alive. At the end of his days, there's only one thing he'll need to know. Does heaven have a bar? Is Monteith's on tap? Why work so hard if you can't have that? Just country music play all day long, Johnny Cash, Patsy Cline just singing along. Does heaven have a bar? Is Monteith's on tap?